Hear that crunch? Let me show you how it's made. Step by step, step inside, and see how your favorite nuggets are born. It all starts with finely ground chicken meat. Seasoned to perfection with a precise blend of spices, then shaped into the iconic nugget forms you recognize. Coated in a crispy golden breading. Fried to a perfect golden crisp, carefully cooled to maintain quality and temperature. Each batch is inspected to meet strict quality standards. Packed and sealed for delivery worldwide, and ready to enjoy. Would you take a bite?